Naming and formulas of binary ionic compounds. Review for SNC1D and SNC2D. Ionic compounds are composed of metals and nonmetals. When naming binary ionic compounds, start with naming the metal first. The nonmetal goes second and the ending changes to "ide." No prefixes are used to name ionic compounds. An example would be sodium and chlorine. The metal sodium goes first, the nonmetal chlorine goes second, and the ending changes to "ide" or chloride. For magnesium bromide, the metal magnesium goes first, bromine, the nonmetal, goes second, and the ending again changes to bromide. To find the formulas from the names of binary ionic compounds, you need to look at the charges of each ion in the formula. For potassium chloride, K is group 1 and has a charge of +1. Cl is group 17 and has a charge of -1. Use the crisscross rule to determine the subscripts in each atom. Subscripts are reduced to lowest term. You can see by using the arrows that the 1 plus or the 1 in the K would go to the Cl, and the 1 minus or the 1 in the Cl goes to the K. If there's only one atom, the subscript 1 is not needed, so the final formula is just KCl. The example calcium sulfide, calcium has a charge of 2 plus, sulfur has a charge of 2 minus. So by the crisscross rule, 2 goes in the Ca and then 2 goes on the S. But it reduces just as 1 to 1, so the final formula is just CaS. For lithium oxide, lithium has a charge of +1, oxygen has a charge of 2 minus, 2 goes on the lithium, 1 goes on the oxygen, so the final formula is just Li2O.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.